that you are the best campus missionary in PSU. Why the campus? Question, bakit ba sa campus? Because, tignan mo yung katabi mo. Those are the future leaders of these nations. Those are the next mayors. Those are the next congressmen, the next capitans, the next gawads, the next leaders of this society. And it is exactly why the campus.
Today is December 5, it's a Friday, and we're gonna watch the Barkada concert tonight. And yeah, makikita natin si Arthur tonight. So yeah, I'm so excited for it. So yeah. Hi guys, good morning. So today is a Monday, it's December 8th, and I just want to catch up with you lang guys na nangyari last week sa buhay ko nung foundation week. And guys, di ba nabanggit ko na pupunta dapat ako sa Barkada na concert sa BSU, pero hindi ako nakapunta. And, ayun, nahanap ako ng mga friends ko if gusto ko pumunta, pero hindi ako nagpunta kasi gusto ko magpahinga. And then, last week also, nakita ko si JJ. Habang nanonood ako ng basking, ayun, nagkita kami. And guys, I swear to you, hindi ko alam kung may nag-iba ba sa itsura niya or ang tagal lang talaga naming hindi nagkita, but super pogi ni JJ lalo as in nung nakita kami. Tapos nag-glow siya, in fairness, and lalo siyang pumuti as in, wala lang, nagkita lang kami last week talaga, and he said hi naman, pero ayun lang yung update ko sa inyo. But yeah, and sa ACADS naman guys, second sem na namin. Yes, second sem na namin. And time flies. Grabe. Third year na kami and second sem na. And yeah, I'm just so excited for what God has in store for us for the second semester. And feeling ko ang alanganin din and ang bilis. Pero yeah, we gotta do what we gotta do. So yeah, see you on the next clips. Bye.
Kailan ba? Nasa may camera. Ayun pala. Wala naman ata ka. Ay, naka-video. Ayusin mo. tayo. Picture tayo.
Ano ba picture gusto mo? Wait lang. Hi guys, and today is Saturday and it's currently 12:30. Ayun, sorry, mahangin. But right now I'm here at student lounge and may klase kasi ako guys. So yeah, naghihintay na lang ako dito and so far sobrang sarap tumambay dito as in mahangin. Kahit open kasi siya, so mahangin and ayun, konti na yung tao dito and ayun, mag-isa lang ako dito pero ang sarap tumambay, sarap magmuni-muni dito, mahangin. And sila LJ kasi umalis na sila and yeah, umalis na sila, nagpa-nail sila. So ayun, ito na yung bago kong ilo-look forward everyday ngayong second semester. So yeah, I'm just so excited to be here. And yeah, actually may enjoy ko dito, mahangin, tahimik, pero mas may enjoy ko siguro to kapag sila yung kasama ko. So yeah, balitaan ko kayo, but right now it's
Ho, ho, ho!